lobbies back to back where the person was just like yelling the N-word on the mic. So I'm like, okay, these people are weird. And like, yes, that was like a while ago, but it's still just like, I don't know, man. It's just like, alright, dude. Alright. But, I don't know, man. Just really weird people. Oh, I was trying to door slam her. Oh, well, that didn't work out very well. Insta DC. That's what you get for trying to door slam me, dude. That didn't work out too well for you. She's back in the cold room. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. I think she's running in the middle tunnel. Yeah, Maria's in Leatherface Lair. She's running to the fuse exit. See, this is why I don't use comms, because like people aren't even listening. I mean, this Maria should like basically be dead here, right? Is she just sitting here? What the fuck? Oh, I hit her 3 times. I haven't really played Johnny for a little bit, so forgive me for my mistakes. Virginia is in Slaughterhouse. Oh, she's healing over here. Is she going back? No, she went this way. Wait, I'm getting really hungry, by the way. Okay, I think this is a 3-stack or something. I was gonna say, did she lose that? Ain't no way, right? Let's see where the... What? I can't hear you. Okay, I think... Yeah, I was gonna say, I think they're killing the Maria. Okay, let's go find this. Oh, there she is. Okay, this Julie is really weird. She was really like shirtless Johnny or something. What's going on here? Is the shirtless Johnny too sexy for you? What is happening here? Okay. This is Julie really wants my attention, I guess. I don't know. I'm actually really fond of the girl.
Don't worry. I'll find you.
I feel like this Julie's stream sniping me. Am I tripping? I really feel like this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she is. You motherfucking stream sniper. Bitch. It's so crazy that she can keep doing this. With like no strength at all. It's crazy. I think it's based, is it based off your health? This person is really weird, right? Like, what is happening? Bro, are you just gonna hide there all game? What are you doing? It's this thing. This is some clown shit right here.
This will be over by now. I better go feed her.
Bubba's clueless. No, run away from the Julie! Run! No, now you chase me. No, you chase me, come on. You chase me. I'm the victim now, I'm the victim. Yeah, I'm waiting for the door slam. Okay. Ooh! No! Yeah, I'm the victim now. I'm the victim. Let's go. Julie's in that cold room, by the way. She's like just right over here. She's still hiding in here? Motherfucker. Yeah, she's right here. She's going out towards the door, towards ladder exit. Oh my god. What are you doing, Leatherface? What are you doing? I just heard her run past a noisemaker. Yeah, she's over in the bone room. Oh, she's right here. Leatherface, if you don't get your sexy ass down here. Dude, how many times has she done this? 5 times? 6 times? Dude, this Leatherface is... This Leatherface, bro. Yeah, this person stream sniping. By the way, I'm gonna ban you if I see you in my chat stream sniping. You motherfucker. She's in this back room. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm getting really hungry. Get her, get her, get her. She's going to the cold room, looks like. I'll go on the other side. She's fighting me, fighting me. Please, for the love of God. Why are we gonna feed? Yeah, feeding's really, really important. Let's go. We gotta get this Julie, man. Feed, feed, feed. Dude, this Leatherface is trolling me, right? He's actually playing with the Julie. He's actually teamed up with the Julie. I believe it. Aha! Oh shit! She's spitting me. Oh shit! Dude, no way she doesn't die here, right? Come on. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I got her. Dude. GG. Yikes, dude. Wait, are you in my game? Or were you the Julie last game? Wait, you were the Julie? You trolling me, bro? That's not nice. That is very not nice, dude. Boom. Damn, boy. Alright, what's our baby Bubba doing down here? What's going on, bro? Just get out of my way, boy. I'll show you how real killing's done. True, dude, true. Aw, man, they get out of the house, dude. Hello! Ooh. Uzumaki nugget. Uzumaki. This will be simpler if you sit still. Okay. Do they have a gate open? And so we have a Bones and a Leatherface. We have like no defense at all. At least even like Hitchhiker is like a little defensive. Dude, why does Johnny feel so slow? And I have Scout. Oh, hey. How's it going? Did he just DC? He DC'd because I saw him. Bro. Bro. He DC'd because I saw him there. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. I mean, I guess if I saw me playing Johnny shirtless too, I guess, you know. I guess I'd insta DC too, bro. If I saw me, I would insta DC too. Johnny's like one of my worst characters. Oh, two of them are on left battery. Go, go, go! Swing it, swing it, swing it, swing it. Oh, gotcha. Watcha. Gotcha. Dude, that was a helicopter, bro. Helicopter, helicopter. Oh, I see him, I see him. Get him, get him. Go, go, go. Ooh, did I get a 4K? GG. Let's go, baby.